The present perfect tense is a versatile grammatical structure that is commonly used to talk about actions or events that have happened at an unspecified time in the past or continue to have relevance in the present. This tense is particularly useful when discussing conservation achievements, as it allows us to highlight the progress that has been made and the impact that these efforts continue to have on the environment. In this essay, we will explore several examples of conservation achievements around the world, using the present perfect tense to emphasize their lasting significance. One notable conservation achievement is the establishment of national parks and protected areas. For example, Yellowstone National Park in the United States has been a protected area since 1872, making it the world's first national park. Over the years, the park has served as a model for conservation efforts worldwide, preserving its unique ecosystem and biodiversity. Many endangered species, such as the gray wolf and the grizzly bear, have been successfully reintroduced to the park, ensuring their survival for future generations. Another significant conservation achievement is the implementation of sustainable fishing practices. In Australia, the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park has been a designated marine protected area since 1975. Through strict regulations and enforcement, the park has been able to mitigate the impact of overfishing and destructive fishing practices on the reef. As a result, the reef's ecosystem has shown signs of recovery, with coral cover increasing in some areas and endangered species like the green turtle and dugong making a comeback. Additionally, conservation organizations have made great strides in combating illegal wildlife trade. The World Wildlife Fund, for example, has been working tirelessly to protect endangered species from poaching and trafficking. Through partnerships with law enforcement agencies and community outreach programs, the organization has been able to rescue countless animals and disrupt illegal wildlife trade networks. These efforts have put a dent in the illegal wildlife trade industry and have raised awareness about the importance of protecting endangered species. In conclusion, the present perfect tense is a powerful tool for highlighting conservation achievements and emphasizing their ongoing impact on the environment. By using this tense to discuss successful conservation efforts, we can inspire others to take action and continue the important work of protecting our planet for future generations.